Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naim Abbas. I am your math teacher. Today I deliver a lecture on page number 10. Proper set. Part F, proper set. If every element of a set A is also an element of a set B, at least one element of set B is not an element of set A, then A is a proper subset of a set B, denoted by symbolically as A subset B. Improper set. Part G, improper set. A subset that contains every element of a set A is called the improper subset of a set A. The improper subset and original set are equal as they contain same elements. These sets called improper set.